rescue from a drowning car, rescue from a burning car. Today's video is about real-life heroes. Enjoy watching. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'd be happy to respond to your comments below the video.
It's on fire.
It all started when police officers on patrol in the neighborhood noticed a car that had recently crashed into a pole. When they approached the car, they saw smoke filling the interior of the vehicle. Something had to be done immediately.
The fire inside the vehicle.
Mike, someone inside. Are you parking out that way? Same 744, did you copy?
Open the door!
16.
Is he out?
Mail's out. 16.
No.
Oh. Can you stand up? Let's get away from this car. Can you stand up at all?
Definitely don't know what's else in there. No, I don't.
No?
Let's check.
The author noticed a turtle that was moving very slowly trying to cross across the road. He decided to stop and help. Would you have done the same? On his way to the store, the motorcyclist noticed a Nissan standing on the side of the road. He decided to stop to help, but there was no one inside. After that, he decided to walk around a bit to try to find the owner. Assuming it was an elderly person, he went to the nearest store.
Excuse me, madam, is that your car, the red one that's parked there? Do you want me to help push it in?
Oh, no, it doesn't work.
Yeah, that's fine. You can just take the handbrake off and then I can push it. It's only a small car.
Shortly after he returned to the car with its owner, another driver and a motorcyclist stopped to help. They helped the owner find the correct tow truck number, and that was the end of the story.
You know what I mean? She's having a bit of a problem with her car. It's basically not going anywhere. If you... Oh. Okay, that's strange. Her steering lock engaged. There we go. Should be alright now. Put the brake on. Cheers for that, man. There we go. Cheers for that, lads. Cheers for that.
Bodycam footage shows the moments a dog was taken from a hot car. Police said the owner was cited for animal neglect. When officers arrived, the vehicle was locked and the dog had allegedly been inside the car for over 20 minutes.
You wanna... freaking open it. No? No, the freaking thing doesn't work. Unlock. There you go. truck, so that's what I think it's saying. A
surveillance camera captured a duck with ducklings trying to cross the road. but due to the large number of cars, they were unable to do so. No one but one brave motorcyclist even tried to help them. It was very close. Everything could have ended in an accident, but luckily, this time, everything ended well. The motorcyclist prevented the children from running out into the road and got the ball himself. We all know that if he had not stopped, the children would have run after the ball anyway.
That's right there. You're welcome. You guys go. Alright, you guys have a good day.
Clinton Township Police rescued an 82-year-old woman over the weekend who became trapped in her vehicle due to the flooding. Police say in a Facebook post that the woman's vehicle was swept from Miller Road on Saturday by the floodwaters. Her vehicle was reportedly sinking when officers arrived on the scene. The woman is fine and was let go home after being examined at the hospital. Thanks for watching and have a great day.